Samsung might not have dropped the first official Galaxy Unpacked teaser yet, but the internet is already flooded with Galaxy S26 Ultra design renders, and honestly, some of them look seriously impressive. Let's start with the colors. According to early leaks, Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S26 Ultra in 4 standard colors, along with at least 2 online exclusive options. Samsung Insider Ice Universe recently shared AI-generated renders of the device, giving us an early look at what the phone could look like. Now, quick disclaimer. These images are purely for illustration. The size, alignment, and even the colors are not final. But still, they give us a decent idea of the overall design direction Samsung might be heading toward, especially when it comes to color tones and camera placement. Things get even more interesting with another set of renders created by designer Michael Ma, also known as iDesigner 3D. Unlike the AI images, these renders are manually crafted, and they've been going viral for a reason. The layout perfectly matches current design trends on X, and visually it looks super clean. The designer created 4 different Galaxy S26 Ultra renders, each highlighting a different color. What makes these stand out is how the layout is structured. The top half of each image shows off the phone's color, the middle section highlights the camera bump, and the bottom part gives a side view of the frame, clearly showing the volume buttons and power key. It's a smart layout that lets you see multiple angles at once without cluttering the image. Even though none of these renders are official, they definitely build excitement and give us a taste of what Samsung's next Ultra flagship could look like. With leaks ramping up and the launch getting closer, it's only a matter of time before we start seeing more concrete details. So what do you think about these Galaxy S26 Ultra renders and color options? Drop your thoughts in the comments. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is already turning heads, and we're still months away from its official launch. New leaks keep filling in the gaps, giving us a clearer idea of what Samsung is planning with its next flagship. So far, it looks like the S26 Ultra is all about refinement, with smart design decisions and features that actually matter day to day. This time, reliable Samsung Insider Ice Universe has shared live images of the Galaxy S26 Ultra's SIM tray. The leak confirms that the phone supports dual physical SIM cards. That said, availability may depend on your region or carrier, since some markets continue to lean more heavily toward eSIM instead of physical SIM slots. Interestingly, the leaked images show 4 different SIM trays, and they also reveal the main color options for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. These include black, black shadow, white, white shadow, blue galactual blue, and violet ultraviolet. Out of all these, violet is expected to be the signature color for the S26 Ultra. That doesn't mean the other colors won't look good. The signature or hero color is simply the one Samsung tends to push the hardest in its marketing and promotional material, and this year, violet seems to be taking that spotlight. What do you think about these color options and the return of dual physical SIM support? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section.